Hi, beautiful people. So, how do we get from a problem, a health crisis, or a health or a crisis in general, like any um, adverse crisis or problem? How do we get from a problem to a possibility? And this was probably the number one greatest shift that happened in me when I was deeply broken physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially. And I just want to share here because the biggest shift was that I really suddenly realized, and I've told you this before, and I will say it again because it's so important and such a vital shift in internally that really creates external change. And that is that our greatest adversity is our greatest teacher. And the, what if this experience that you're having in your pain, in your suffering, in your physical body, your challenges, the problems that you're facing right now, what if they're possibilities, right? They're possibilities for change. They're possibilities for you to step into your greater self, into out of situations that are not supporting you, allowing you to start to create self love, forcing you, catalyzing you, alchemizing you to choose, because it can't be forced onto you, choose to live in self love, self acceptance, no longer resisting life circumstances, life problems, and seeing them as possibilities and potential. And this is such an important thing because you can see a problem in anything, but if we shift our perspective and we see a possibility instead, then everything shifts. And this is, I just hope that it's landing, because, and let me know in the comments, or let me know below. DM me, what the hell do you mean, if you don't understand, if there's, if it's completely going past you. And I understand, right? Because I was there. I was like, how the hell is this? All these the physical pain. I could hardly move. I could hardly put on my shoes. I had a daughter, a toddler at the time, and she was, lots of, needing lots of, I needed to pick her up a lot, and I couldn't pick her up. And so this the problems that I felt that I had were exponentially worse because I thought they were problems. As soon as I started to see them as possibilities for change, that this is a message from my body telling me that I need to shift this stuff and, finally move into a more healthy, even though I was pretty healthy at the time, but I just needed, that tweaks and building habits that heal. Excuse me, I've told you about this before. So it was, and then I built those habits and I got out of chronic pain. So I got out of 18 symptoms that I had: back pain, arm pain, leg pain, hand pain, finger pain, you name it, neck pain, fibromyalgia. I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, and all of this was just released as soon as I started to take that responsibility and to change problem to possibility. So please reach out to me if you need some help to reframe it, if you need some more help to actually, see the different perspective. We can do some tapping on it, we can do some breathing on it, we can do some embodiment of it. If you need some help to start to create that change in your body and see this possibility lying ahead of you, I'm here to help. Let's get your wisdom of the pain so you can release it and step into your next level self.